The internet has always been full of invisible gangsters in their mama's basements talking trash instead of taking it out. Hey there, gorgeous. You are watching the very first episode of the 10-Minute Talk Show on LV Television, and I am your host, Lex Vanguard. Today's OOTD, or outfit of the day, is a mustard yellow Maggie London dress that my aunt bought for me for my birthday from Nordstrom Rack. I love the color, I love the length, I love the fit. This dress was made for me. I threw one side of my hair to the other side and pinned it. I paired the dress with my dark brown wooden earrings that say naturally beautiful, my gold Versace watch, and my tan crocodile print Louis Sassy flats with the strap around the ankle. Let's dive into LMFO. Let me find out. Superga sneakers are on sale for $40. OMG. I don't know if you know, but I used to work at Nordstrom in women's shoes, and these sneakers were so popular because the royals love them. You can see these on the feet of Hailey Bieber, Kate Middleton, and Princess Diana in some of her old photos. They're cute, clean cut, comfortable, and will go with everything. The most popular are all white, but they do come in other colors, and some come with a platform. Think Kids 2.0. If you ever owned a pair of Kids, drop a shoe emoji in the comments. If you're interested in getting a pair for yourself, shoot, I might grab me a pair too for that price. You can find them with the $40 price tag on, guess where? Amazon. Can you believe it? I'll put the link down below in the description box, but you'll need to head over there ASAP because I have no idea how long this sale will last. Don't say I never gave you anything. Next, I'm giving you a fashion forecast. Get your umbrellas out because it's raining trends. I tried. Anyway, as we spring into spring, we would typically see an abundance of bright colors and floral prints. This year, some may opt for all black. What can I say? Black is trending. You'll see many mini dresses toned down in color, and instead of cool cotton, people will be trying out leather and latex. Now, I don't know how cool it will feel, but I can imagine how cool it will look. Okay? And I'm here for it. It's all about adding some spice to everything nice. Also, sheer is near. Barely There dresses dominated the runway this season. So if it's your prerogative, you won't be alone in leaving your clothes at home. My advice, make sure it's flattering. Whatever you wear should represent you well. Don't let the clothes wear you. You wear the clothes. I hope that helps. Now go on and get your shop on while we go to commercial. Are you an entrepreneur who is sick and tired and frustrated with trying to figure out how to promote your brand? I have an idea for you. Go over to lvpublicrelations.com, join our email list, and you'll be able to get free, yes, free tips and tricks straight to your inbox. We will do our best to help you build your brand and get closer to promoting to the audience that you want. See you there. Welcome back. Now we're going to play a game. I love games. I hope you enjoyed this one. The rules are simple. Tell me who wore it. Clue number 1 is this photo. If you know right off the bat, you're a genius. Go you. Okay, I see you and want to be you. You rock. If you need another clue, here's clue number 2. This photo is recent as of March 2022. It was taken at Fashion Week in Paris. That should have gotten you there, but no worries if it didn't. Clue number 3 is that this is a Dior look. You have to get this right because she's one of my faves. If you don't, we beefing. Leave a comment down below with your answer, and the correct answer will be provided during next week's episode. Make sure that you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. We gotta see if you got it. This is where we will eventually do the Q&A segment. Since this is our first episode, I don't have any questions to answer. For the next episode, send me some questions. Ask me whatever you like regarding fashion, style, beauty, being an entrepreneur, or just girl talk. Text TMTS question to 202-918-5238. Again, send your message to 918-5238 and say TMTS question. Once you finish adding yourself to the text list, go ahead and send me your question. I'll choose a couple of questions to answer during next week's episode. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my response. It helps to turn on your notifications. It's time for the Subbie Celebration. Woo! Again, this is our first episode. We will begin this segment when we start gaining subscribers. First, we'll celebrate our new subscribers. How exciting! Then we'll do a giveaway. The rules for the giveaway will be the same each week, although the prizes may change. This week, I have a pair of size 8, women's size 8, men's size 6.5 Nike Air Force 1s to give away that were custom painted by moi. Your girl has hidden skills. These feature a gender neutral cow print design in black and white and are the first pair that I've ever painted. I painted these when I was enthusiastic about getting into customizing sneakers. I saw other people auctioning on Instagram, so I tried to auction them on Instagram and was unsuccessful. I love to give these to someone who'd love to have them. The plain Air Forces retail at about $100. The custom work puts these at about a $175 value. All you have to do to call them your own is make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Send this video to 3 of your friends and tell all of them to comment your username underneath this video. That's all you have to do. From there, I'll choose one lucky winner. Good luck to you all. Watch next week's video to find out who won and tell your friends to subscribe. Now here's some 2-minute tea. Recently, Laverne Cox was interviewing celebrities on the red carpet of the SAG Awards, where Will and Jada were present for Will to accept an award of his own. For those who don't know, Laverne is an actress whose big break came from Orange is the New Black on Netflix. She's been catching work ever since, and this gig is an example of that. When the time came for her to interview Will and Jada, she ended the interview by saying she was looking forward to more red table talks and entanglements. Some people took issue with this, saying that it was tacky and not the right time and place for that type of humor. Others think it was funny. I like Laverne. She normally comes across as really classy, so this surprised me. I'm not sure of the motive behind it, but I'm sure a big part of it was for a laugh. I don't think there was any malicious intent behind it. However, it was a little tacky to me. In my opinion, it wasn't the best time and place for that particular joke. Sometimes I think we have to read the room more before making bold decisions. On the flip side, I also think people are taking their criticism of Laverne too far. Even if you don't agree with the choice of joke, it's not a green light to start attacking her character and intentionally misgendering her, which I'm seeing a lot of in YouTube comment sections. Some people just do too much. But hey, the internet has always been full of invisible gangsters in their mama's basements talking trash instead of taking it out. What do you think? Do you think Laverne's joke was too tacky for the red carpet? Second question, tacky or not, do you think we need to learn how to allow people, including celebrities, to recover from their mistakes? Put your comment down below. Let's talk about it. Also, did you watch Orange is the New Black until the end? If you did, no spoilers. Please, I hate spoilers. And I haven't finished it yet. I've been busy. I know I'm super late to the party. I still plan on getting it done though. It's a great show and had so many breakout stars. I'm such a fan. The next segment is Try This DIY. Enjoy.
My friend invited me to her housewarming and I had no idea what to bring, so I thought, let me make something. I got some resin and mixed it up with some glitter. Then I added dried flowers and some gold leaf, gave it a really good stir, poured it into each one of my resin molds, and then I was able to create a set. A jar for her to put her stash in, an ashtray, and a rolling tray. Give this a try.
Here's a helpful hack.
A former friend came to me when he split his pants and asked me to stitch them up, but I believe in turning negatives into positives, so I said, hey, let's create something new. Took pieces of other fabrics and put them where the holes were. Now you should try this with your old clothes.
It's Black Friday, and here's a black business to celebrate. Gemini Fafu is a brand created by someone I went to school with who does a bomb face beads. Tiffany Griffin launched her cosmetic brand in 2020 during the height of the COVID pandemic and has been going strong ever since. The brand sells luscious lip glosses with fun names inspired by the Chicago native's hometown. There are also lip liners available and lashes, the newest addition to the store. Stop by www.geminifafu.com and treat yourself. All links will be in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate being able to share this first episode with you. I hope to see you here again next week. Until then, keep your light bright.